Hello Year 8 and welcome to HTML Lesson 8. In this lesson we'll be looking at cascading style sheets and developing our website to apply a consistent style. So let's begin. This week's lesson we will be updating our style sheet to include styling for our bodies, our paragraph, our headers and our image tags. I'm going to open up my website, plain simple old website with no styling applied. You'll see this website. I've removed the cascading style sheet, inconsistent style, all very plain, all very simple. And this lesson we're going to update the style sheet and change this. In order to do that, we're going to locate the style sheet from last week. You can open this to edit by right clicking, open with, and notepad. In your tutorial, you will see the tags that I've applied. So the first one we're going to look at is the body tag. Now, I have styled this using Arial, Helvetica and sans serif fonts. You can change these fonts if you like. You can change the font size, the color, the background color, and the spacing, etc. So my style sheet, I've copied and pasted in my body tag. In a tag for my paragraph, all I've just done is change the spacing. There's going to be 21 pixels in height between the lines. The main one is my H1 tag, which I want to style with the background color and also a margin to give the bar at the bottom. I'm going to space that by 7 pixels. When you see 2M, EM is the default size within your browser. So that basically means 2 times the default size, or in this case, half the default size of the browser. So we're going to have a large font, we're going to have a border, small width in the border, and a background color. And I'm going to continue with that, and we're going to create our own style for our H2 tags, our H3 tags, our image tags. I put in a dashed border. You can change these values, you can experiment with the width and the colors. And next week we'll be looking at lists and tables, but I've went ahead and created my styles for these, just with the color and the font styles. So what you can do is you can either type up or you can copy and paste from the tutorial the tags into your style sheet and save your style sheet. You now then need to go to each page and make sure you've linked the style sheet. So I'm going to begin with my first page and I'm going to make sure I've got my link tag in, link relative to the style sheet, and remember to call it mystyle.css. I'm now going to save that and make sure I have that in the head for my computing page, save that, and in the head for my blog. And I'll paste it and save it. So when we go back to my web page and I refresh it, you should see how the style sheet has been applied. And you can see last week the style sheet for the buttons. Here is my H1 tag. Note the spacing of the letters, the margin with the different colors. Here's my H2 tag, and here's my H3 tag. Image tag with a dashed border. Again, you can change these values. And we can see that this has been applied throughout. My H1 tag's changed in this page, H2, H3, and if we look at the blog again, H1, H2. So now I have a consistent style in my website throughout. Your task is to update your style sheet. Again, don't forget to change the values to suit your own style, to save it and to link it. Good luck.